Thank you for choosing the iSpring WGB22BD Car Wash System. With proper assembly and maintenance, this car wash system will provide deionized water with a hands-free, spotless drying experience for years to come. Please follow the instructions in the video for proper assembly procedures. Before we begin, please carefully read the precautions on the user manual. Check that all parts were included in the package that your water system arrived in, and have all the required tools ready. Installation. The system comes with a set of quick connectors and can easily fit with standard outdoor or garden hoses. Step 1. Assemble the movable stand. Use the included bolts, nuts, and washers with a screwdriver and wrench to assemble the stand and the handle. Step 2. Take out and unwrap all filters. Insert the filters into their housings and ensure the housing O-ring is seated correctly to prevent leaks. Step 3. Twist the housings counterclockwise onto the housing caps. Use the housing wrench to tighten the housing with another 1/4 to 1/2 of a turn. Do not over-tighten, as this can cause leaks and make future filter replacements difficult. Step 4. Install the male quick connector to the system water inlet port. Please ensure the O-ring is seated properly inside the connector to prevent leaks. Step 5. Connect a water hose to the hose bib. Install the female quick connector to the other end of the hose. Press the quick connector ring inward and connect it to the male quick connector. Step 6. Connect another water hose to the system water outlet. Turn on the hose bib to flush the filters for a few minutes or until the water flow rate is stable. Prepare a bucket to catch water if needed. Shut off the hose bib when finished. Step 7. Connect the outlet hose to a sprayer or pressure wash system. For systems with bypass valves, set the valve knob parallel to the water flow direction to operate in filtration mode. Set the valve knob to the vertical position to bypass the filters. To maximize the filter life, we recommend using the bypass mode for pre-wash and only using the filtration mode for the final rinse. Congratulations! Your iSpring WGB22BD Car Wash System installation is complete. You can now experience a hands-free, spotless drying car wash at home. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have questions. Thank you for watching.